Hello viewers, I'm here with yet another power-packed video on PTE speaking. Let's see what do we have here. Okay, repeat sentence. In repeat sentence, you'll be given anywhere around 10 repeat sentences on the real test day. The strategy for a repeat sentence would be to speak with fluency and pronunciation. Believe me, for content, you'll be just getting about 3 out of 5 scores and 5 out of 5 for the fluency and for the pronunciation. Let's see what do we have here.
Utilize online materials before attending the upcoming lecture sessions.
Utilize the online materials before attending the upcoming lecture sessions. So if you are unable to get the entirety of the audio, then you need to at least try and get 60%. Majority of people falter by saying the first few words and they are not able to get the last few words in the sentence. That's the mistake people do. You don't have to get all of the audio, but you just need to get the 60%.
High parental expectations often lead to student stress and anxiety.
High parental expectations often lead to student stress and anxiety. If you are unable to get all of the audio, let's just get 60% of it. That is the strategy here. Some people even tried the first letter, which is not helping them to get the 60% of what the audio is all about. Let's try it once again.
High parental expectations often lead to student stress and anxiety.
High parental expectation, often student stress and anxiety. If this much you can get, I'm telling you, you can get good score on the repeat sentence. In fact, on the PTE speaking. Let's listen into the next audio, please.
Find the bookstore situated to the main campus's southern side.
Find the bookstore situated to the campus's southern side. I still got 60%. Let's listen into the next one.
The vehicle he traveled in collided with a train unexpectedly.
The vehicle he traveled in collided with the train unexpectedly. So still try to get something.
The vehicle he traveled in collided with a train unexpectedly.
The vehicle he traveled in collided with the train unexpectedly. So this was easier. For some it is tough, I know. But then try to get the vehicle he traveled collided with a train unexpectedly. That's about it. Let's listen to the next audio.
This program is running in partnership with number of departments.
This program is running in partnership with number of departments. If you're still not getting that, then
I haven't done a lot of work in this area.
I haven't done a lot of work in this area. That was the easiest one on the repeat sentence. Astronomers have conducted an impressive observation campaign using a total of 12 telescopes, both on land and in space, including 3 facilities belonging to the European Southern Observatory. The study revealed the peculiar behavior of a pulsar, which is a dead star that spins at an incredibly fast rate. Okay, let's look at the next read aloud. Urban forests play a crucial role in promoting urban sustainability and resilience. They contribute to climate change mitigation by sequestering carbon dioxide through photosynthesis. Urban forests also help manage stormwater runoff by absorbing and filtering rainwater, reducing the risk of flooding. Furthermore, these green spaces provide social and psychological benefits such as stress reduction and improved mental well-being. Oh my God, it was really tough. If you are still not able to speak at a stretch on the read aloud, just believe me, you can still get a very good score on the read aloud by just reading 12 words. Urban forests play a crucial role in promoting urban sustainability and resilience. Enough to get a very good score on the speaking. Let's see what we have on the next read aloud. One of the complex agriculture problems is the issue of food waste. Food waste refers to the discarding of edible food at various stages of the food supply chain from production to consumption. This not only represents a significant loss of resources, but also have environmental implications such as greenhouse gas emissions from decomposing food waste in landfills. That was really tough, believe me. Just read the 12 words and get a very good score is the idea here. That's the tip and strategy for the day. One of the complex agricultural problems is the issue of food waste. Enough to get a very good score. Let's look into the next read aloud, please. When researchers analyze pellets made from recycled plastic gathered in 13 countries enough, this will still get you the required score on the PTE speaking. Let's see what do we have here in the next read aloud. Intermittent fasting is a popular dietary trend that involves alternative periods of fasting and eating enough. So viewers, I hope you really enjoyed this video. I have given you the tips and strategies for repeat sentence and read aloud. This is Sridhar signing off from CELPIP Academy. See you on the other side. Thanks for watching.